Hi, my creators. Do you want to know a very easy and quick way to make your t shirt designs? Do you want them to be different and unique and unlike any ever seen before? Well, stick with me. I'll show you how. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, my creators, you know I'm all about making things easy and I want to make everything easy for you. We want to make it quick and easy and as painless as possible. It already takes a lot of time to get your stores up and running. So sometimes the last thing you even feel like thinking about is designing, right? So I have already created for you some really fabulous t shirt templates that are on my store. And believe it or not, they are only 40 cents, guys. 40.40. So go on over to my store, joyartclub.online, and check them out. The link is in the description for my website. But anyway, I have one of them open, and this is actually a copy of my design. And this one, if you're looking for it, is called T shirt Template 3. So if you search that on the website or just go to T shirt templates, you will find it. And I'm going to have tons and tons more. So basically, templates are something that is already pre-designed for you, and basically all you have to do is add your text, change your text. You can change the image if you want, but it's like, what's the point? If you were going to do that, you would have designed it from the beginning, right? So here is a beautiful African American woman, and we have some text boxes here that you could simply fill out and put this on your store. All right, so as you can see here, um, Canva has done something, they've added something recently that I've noticed. When you import images, you used to not be able to really change the colors specifically in the image, but it looks like you can now because on this image right here, you see the colors above the black, the blue, and the orange. These are the colors in here. So if we click on the orange one and we change it, it may just change everything that's orange to a different color. So let's see. It did, but the problem is it changed her face too. So we don't want that. So sometimes it will change just that particular thing. But I think because her face has some um, undertones of orange, it changed that as well. Let's click on the blue and see if we are able to change that. Yeah, it changed her pants and it changed some tint in her hair. Let's see if we make that pink. Yep. So it worked for that. So that's nice. That's nice to know. So that's another way that you can make yours unique. So if I made it green, so any kind of way, any color that you choose, you can change it. So I like the black. But if you put this on a black t-shirt or sweatshirt, it wouldn't stand out. So let's make it another color. Let's make it the lime green. And since we're going to make that the lime green, we're going to change the text as well. And so the whole premise of this is that when you purchase these templates from my store, they open up just like this, right? And you can make these changes yourself. So now I'm going to type something into these text boxes. So, what do you guys think? What is something um, what do you call it? Inspirational saying that we could put here. Okay, I know what I want to say. I want to say your worth. Let's type this in here. WORTH. And right here, we're going to type is, or no, not is. Your worth starts. Move this over some. We are going to put her in the back. We're going to click on layer and send to back. We're going to change this color in a minute, but your worth starts within. All right, so we're going to play with some colors. We obviously don't want the word starts to be in orange because it would interfere with her boots. So let's make this maybe black. Okay. And let's make all of the text black. We can leave this as orange, and we're going to make this border behind within. We're going to make this a different color. We're going to make this maybe match the green. So by the way, I clicked on effects, and over here on the left, I'm changing the color to green. All right, so it's as simple as that, right? You don't have to do anything more than that. You can always, if you want to move things around, you can move it around. You could do it however you want. If you want her on this side, you could do that. Put this over here. Put this over here. Move this over. Put that here. Pull her over a little. You could flip her around if you wanted to. Any kind of way you want to do it. You could add other elements to the design. If we click on elements to the left and we go in here and we type in, I don't know, orange glitter heart. Let's click on see all. If you wanted to use that, you could. So it's just very easy to use and manipulate. And if you're not a designer, you don't have to worry about it. You can start your designs from a template that I have already created for you. And they're only 40 cents. I mean, wow, you cannot beat that. Um, I was scrolling down to see if I saw any other orange glitter hearts, but I don't. I only see that one. Let me see if I just type in orange heart, will something else come up? Okay, so we've got more hearts that came up, and I think I see one that maybe I like a little better than the glitter. Let me move this up. And by the way, anytime that you cannot, you see how I can't get to this orange heart? If you click on position, click on layers, the layer tab will show you, or the layers tab will show you everything that's on your page. So here is the heart. So I'm going to click on it. And now it's on my page for me to grab. So I can move it up. Move this, make this smaller. Maybe I'll put that there. I don't think I want the glitter one, so I'm just going to delete this one. I think I'm going to duplicate this one and put this one, let's see, maybe right here, but we'll make it a little smaller. Turn it somewhat, and actually, let's kind of put this on top of the T. That's cute. All right. So it's so many ways that you can redesign a template, right? Very easy to do. And then if you want to use this template again, all you have to do is duplicate the page, go down here. Okay, we've changed her pants to green, so let's change that color again. Let's maybe make this blue. All right, so you could change the words in here to say something else. All right, I think I'll make this say, make, this is going to say your. I'm going to pull this over some. Make this say dreams. Make your dreams a reality. I'm going to stretch this out. There we go. All right, so now instead of this green, making this green, we're going to make this maybe match the color of this blue here. So it's kind of like that, or maybe more like that or that. Yeah, maybe it's kind of hard to match. But I don't know which one of these blues work better. Maybe that, and then we can go up here to the transparency. No. Yeah, we'll just keep it like that. Okay. Now, you can also, if you want, you could do so many things. So now I'm clicking on this text box right here. I'm going to choose effects and I'm going to outline it. I'm going to make the outline thin. I don't want it large. And let's make the outline black, but the inside of the box, let's make it orange. All right, and let's do this one where let's do the same thing. Let's make this outlined. We're going to make this thin, and we're going to make this maybe that blue. No, let's make this black, and let's make the inside this blue, which means this right here, we want to change this because it blends in too much. So let's make this maybe, oh God, you could do so many things with this. Let's make this black and then, wait a minute. What am I doing? Let me undo that. Okay, I want to go to effects and I want the box to be black and I want the text to be maybe orange. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, I'm clicking too fast. Okay. And now we're going to make this one. I'm going to click on effects. We're going to make the background this blue, and we're going to make the text. No, I'm sorry. We're going to make the background black, and we're going to make the text blue. There we go. All right. See, you can do so many things. Now, if I don't want the heart, I can take that off of there. If you don't want that, maybe you want one, you want to change the color, whatever you want to do. Your customers may love a particular design, but you want to do it in different colors. You can change the font if you want. If you want to change this font, just click on the text box and let's change the font. Let's find a font, maybe Uncle Grump. That's kind of big. Let's type in the text or the font size box and let's make this smaller. All right. So many different things, so many different ways to um, make this design pop and make it your own. You know, you're using a template, but you are making it so different. All right, let me copy the style of here and put it there. And we'll do this, pull this down, make it larger. So anyway, you get my point. You can move this down here, put this under here. Oh, I spelled reality wrong. Wait, R-E-A-L-I-T-Y. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Put this in the middle. Whatever you want to do, you can do. So it's just great to have templates because you don't have to spend a lot of time on making your design. So here you go, all from a template, a 40-cent template. Okay. You can make it your own. So anyway, once you finish this, you would just download this. So let me click on share here. We're going to go to download. and we are going to increase the resolution. Let's make it 3, transparent background, and we're going to download both pages, and then we're going to upload it onto a mock-up so that you can see how the designs will look. All right, my creators. So I'm on canva.com still. I opened a new page or a new browser, and I created a workspace that is 2500 by 2100 pixels. I like this size because it fits well on Etsy in particular. And then if you're using it on any other website, it usually fits very well on any of the uploads. All right, so now I am going to click on my uploads tab because I uploaded the 2 designs that we just downloaded. So I'm going to click on this one, and I'm putting it on this t-shirt, and it looks great. Looks like she's turned a little bit, so I'm going to turn this design just slightly. Perfect. Looks good. Let me zoom in some so you can see. Looks great. I love that. And see, all from a template. All right, so let's go down to the second one and let's click on this page. Let me crop that. And now let me click on the second one. And she looks like she's kind of bending just a pinch as well. So there you go. Now you have that mock-up. So this looks great as well. So now we have 2 separate and totally different designs with 2 totally different affirmations. And it all started just from one template. So hop on over to joyartclub.online and check out some of the templates there, and hopefully you'll like them. I'm adding many more. I'm a one-woman shop, so I do this all on my own. I don't have any help, so it's taking me some time, but I do have about 400 items on the store now. And right now I think everything is about 40 cents. And I make it really, really cheap because I'm not trying to make a huge profit off of anything. I just, want to put some things there that you would be able to afford and that it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg to get started. Okay. So anyway, my creators, I hope that you got something from this and you realize now that you don't have to be a wonderful graphic designer. You can definitely start with templates and you can have a beautiful, beautiful store with gorgeous t-shirt designs and you can compete with the best. Well, that's it for this video, but I want to remind you, creators, be sure that you take advantage of social media. Make sure that you let people know that you are open for business. Start your shop. Start it now. Those dollars can come rolling in, but it all depends on you. So let's get started now. All right, my creators, thank you for joining me. I appreciate you. As always, I want you to have a beautiful, creative day. And remember, the more we create, the less we hate. And I will see you in the next video.